Hi folks, this is Andy Skinner at Nebadon.com. I'm going to run through Jim Cramer's picks for today. Also included are some from yesterday. These are stocks that Jim mentioned positively on his show as stocks you could be comfortable owning. I like to look at the stocks and pick them up when they're in a good buying position, and I'll use the ramp program, the automatically generated support and resistance lines, what we call BobCharts. If the quality of this video isn't real sharp, you're probably watching this on YouTube. I suggest you click the link to your right. There's a Today's Charts link. If you click that, a window will pop up and you'll see a sharp version of this video. So please take a minute and do that, and the presentation will be a lot easier for you to see. I'm going to start right at the top with Bank of America. Jim mentioned this is a good holding. Bank of America is falling back toward the support line. I'm guessing you would have a great opportunity to pick it up around $20. I want to move through these pretty quick. BB&T, also a bank that Jim likes. It's overbought right now. I'd stay away from that one. You could watch it. It'll come back to support, give you a better opportunity. Peabody Energy, BTU. This is in a buy position right now. Beautiful chart. Stocks traded all the way back down to a long-term support level, and you could probably enter this thing anytime. Cisco Systems. Again, this one's going back to retest the bottom. Support you can see right here is around 21.67, so somewhere in that range. Cisco probably a pretty good bet right now. Con Edison, way overbought right now. I'd stay away from this one. It's going to hit its head here in a couple of days. Same is true for ENER. Well, excuse me, it has pulled back, but ENER, halfway between major support and resistance levels. No reason to make a move here. Federal Realty Investments. This one again is right in between support and resistance. Let it shake out. And FSLR, which is First Solar, this is one of Jim's favorite picks. You can watch this thing and it'll come down and test that support level. Excellent place to take a position. GG is Goldcorp Inc. Jim mentioned this today. You can see a very well defined support level around $20. Great opportunity there. No reason to think it won't touch that within the next week or so. General Mills. General Mills was featured on the show today. It's extremely overbought. Great company, but you could buy it at a better place than here. Just watch it and pick it up down on a support line. Honda. Jim mentioned Honda. Looks like it's going to go back down and retest its support level down around $27, $28. Great opportunity there if you're patient. Joy G. This is Joy Global. Again, this one is trading right down on a major support level. Notice there's three major support lines all coming together right around, it says $42 here. I'd watch for this one to touch 42 or get very close and take advantage of it. Kohl's, KSS. Kohl's is overbought in here. In fact, there's a huge negative MACD divergence right here. Notice the MACD's gone really high and now it's low. Opposite the price. Kohl's looks like it's going to pull back in here. To me, I wouldn't buy this stock until it gets back near the support level. Monsanto. Monsanto came down and bounced in a support area. Looks to me like it's going to have to retest that, and there's probably a divergence setup starting right here. And if you don't understand what I'm saying about divergence, take a look at the links on the Today's Charts site. Probably right under where you're watching this video, and it'll tell you all about how to read those divergence lines. Procter & Gamble, again grossly oversold, right up near resistance. Enough said about that one. Pilgrim's Pride. Pilgrim's Pride is trying to put in a base here at about, well, 1166 it says. It may hold. It's got a little divergence setup right in here, not a real strong one, but it's on support. If you want to take a shot at it right here, you'd certainly be buying it on sale. RIM, Research in Motion. RIM is coming down. Looks like maybe tomorrow it'll hit the intersection of those support lines and do a bounce. That's my best shot on it. I think it's good for a short ride up. Rosetta Resources. Here you can see a lot of support under it. Exactly which one of these will turn the stock, not sure. I'm sure one of them will. You're going to have this thing all the way from 1780 all the way down to about $16. Lots of support. And I think to play Rosetta Rosetta Resources, watch for a divergence to form right here. In fact, we could turn on the MACD price threshold, and if you don't know what that is, please watch the video. I'll zoom in on it right here, and you can see that with the MACD price threshold is dropping below support. That's extremely bullish, and a W will be set up here, and you'll know within 2 or 3 days ahead of time exactly the day to step into this. And again, I encourage you to watch the video MACD divergence and MACD price threshold, and you'll see exactly how to make this trade. Okay, I'll shut that line off. Here's Tyson Foods. Jim likes Tyson Foods, and you can see here that there's no support line across here. That's because it was broken, but just barely. We've got a extremely tiny divergence set up right here. I wouldn't be surprised to see a small rally, but the real buy on Tyson Foods will be at the bottom of the channel. It's not right in here. And the last one, Wachovia Corporation. This is a major business or money-centered bank. It's trying to find support around $8, and I want you to notice something here. There is no divergence right here. If you wait for divergence to form, you'll have a better opportunity to pick this up. Let's take a look at the MACD price threshold line, and I will blow this up a little bit. When this stock crosses the white line, the MACD will be turned up, and notice that MACD price threshold line is projected out into the future. That is an accurate projection. Please watch the video and learn how to trade the MACD price threshold line. You'll be very glad you did. With that, I'm going to wrap this video up, and thanks for joining me. I'll be back maybe tomorrow or the next day. Thanks.